Let's make Greek pasta salad. Dice 1 English cucumber. 1 pint grape tomatoes slice into half or quota. Dice 1 bell pepper, yellow or orange. 1/2 cup of pitted kalamata olives slice into half. Dice 1/2 cup red onion. Gather all ingredient. Get mason jar and add into 1 large clove of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 3-cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 2 teaspoons sea salt, and 1 4 teaspoon black pepper. And then slowly whisk all ingredient. Add pasta into boiling salted water. And after 6 to 8 minutes, drain it out and cool down into room temperature. Get out a nice big bowl and add the cooled pasta to the bowl. And then add all of our veggie topping. Cucumber, tomatoes, pepper, olives, onion. And add crumbled 3 ounces of feta cheese. Lastly, add Greek salad dressing. Mix all ingredients. And let's taste.